You know what separates people who achieve their dreams from those who just talk about them? It's not talent, it's not luck. It's something way simpler, and you can start using it right now. We've all been there. You have a goal, a vision, something you really want to do. But every time you sit down to start, that voice in your head shows up. What if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? I'll start when I'm ready. So you wait, and you wait some more. Days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months, and one day you wake up and that dream you had, it's buried, under excuses, under doubt, under the weight of someday, maybe. Here's the truth. You're not stuck because you lack motivation. You're stuck because you're waiting for the perfect moment. And that moment, it doesn't exist. The real secret isn't about feeling ready, it's about momentum. Think of your dreams like a fire. Right now, it's just a spark, fragile, easy to snuff out. But here's the thing, every small action you take adds fuel to that fire. One page written, one email sent, one set of push-ups. It doesn't look like much at first, but if you keep adding fuel day after day, step by step, that spark becomes a flame, and that flame, it becomes unstoppable. The people you admire, the ones who seem to have it all figured out, they didn't start with confidence. They started with doubt, fear, failures, lots of failures. But they kept going, not because they felt ready, but because they chose to move forward anyway. And that's exactly what you can do. So how do you actually do this? How do you build that momentum when everything in you wants to wait? Here's a simple system, tested, proven. Step 1, choose one thing. Not 10, not 5, 1. The smallest, most obvious step you can take today. Open the document, make the call, just show up. Step 2, make it so easy you can't say no. 5 minutes, one paragraph, one set. Start so small that your brain doesn't have time to talk you out of it. Step 3, reward yourself for starting. This one's a game changer. Your brain needs to learn that starting feels good. So after you take that first step, give yourself something you enjoy. A song, a short break, a coffee, whatever works for you. Over time, your brain starts to associate action with reward, and suddenly, starting becomes easier. Step 4, do it again tomorrow. Not perfectly, just consistently. Because here's the magic. Momentum doesn't come from one big effort. It comes from small, repeated actions that compound over time. You don't need to have it all figured out. You don't need to feel ready. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Because every person who's ever done something remarkable started exactly where you are right now. Uncertain, imperfect, unsure if it would work, but they took the step anyway. So here's my challenge for you. Choose one thing. Take one small step today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Your dreams are waiting, and they don't need a perfect version of you. They just need you to begin. Tell me in the comments, what's your first step? And if this video motivated you, subscribe, because we're just getting started.